Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit how sorry for that, how to edit photos on WhatsApp latest update. Let's go to our WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has now updated their function for you to be able to edit photo very easily. So if you want to send photos to someone now, so let me just go and search for someone I want to send photo to. Just click on the person. Once you click on the person's contact, click on send here. This is it. Click on the send and click on gallery to go and choose the photo you wanted to send. Now let me choose a photo. Now to choose a photo, you can see when you choose a photo you will not be able to edit. What you need to do is click on this pencil. Once you click on this pencil, you'll be able to edit the photo very well. So now if you want to add your text, you can just click on this, and that is add text. You can see let me just say poster. You can see you want to place it, you can place it anywhere that you want. You can place it anywhere that you want. You can see. Now you want to add an image or another thing here. This is a sticker. Just click on this and you'll be able to have a lot of stickers. You can see this is arrow. Click on the arrow. You can see you can reduce the size of the arrow here. You can change the color of the arrow. You can do anything. You can see. Just use your hand. You can say use your hand to edit, to minimize the arrow, and you can use your hand to, you can see, so once you are done, click on done. If you want to do another thing, this is for coloring. You can see it is for cleaning. Okay, if you want to undo, click on undo. This is for it to undo it. It is very easy. So once you are done, click on done, and once you are done, just click on send. And this is it. You can say, so guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.